Hi everyone, welcome back to your channel. In this tutorial, I would like to talk about one of my previous, we can say the series of video, and that is about InfluxDB. If you already, you might seen this series, but again, just I want to remind you, if you come to my channel and then goes to my playlist, then you will find some videos related to InfluxDB, and I think it is not too bad to watch those videos. I have 4 videos which before I made it, it's about how to install, connect to InfluxDB through the API, and also measurement. Uh, Recently, you had some requests from me that you mentioned there is no such version 2 in the official website of the InfluxDB, and you asked me to upload the installation version of that. But just I want to make this video to inform you now already it's available. So you just need go to the Google and search about the InfluxDB. Then definitely this is the official website of the InfluxDB. And when you go here, it will navigate you to this page. And when you look at this InfluxDB new version, which is the version 3, I would say that really massively it increased a lot of the new features compared than version 2, and you can find all this information in the website of the InfluxDB. Definitely I will try to make some videos about then how you can work with the AI and so on. This is the new features, but our target is not to focus on this one. I want to show you that how you can download, still you can download the InfluxDB version 2. Here you will find that here influx data, you need to click on that one. It will navigate you to another page, and then you will find it here. Here you can see it written as a need window. So click on that one. It will navigate you to this page, which I believe in my previous videos I was also talking about this. Then here definitely if you want to install the InfluxDB version 3, there is all the we can say the guidelines, and you can find it. But again, here there is the one drop down section which you will find InfluxDB version 3, and also if you want to install in the base, or if you want create a credential for cloud, or even only for Docker container, are available, and you can find it. But again, our target is to tell you that where you can find InfluxDB version 2. Here you go. You will find InfluxDB OSS version 2, which is your actually the target and your purpose. And here you will still find the version 2 for Mac OS, Linux, Windows as well. And if you want for the Docker container, Kubernetes, and so on. If you need the Raspberry Pi as well, it's available. So for Windows part, you just need to click on that one, and then here you go. You will find the version of the InfluxDB, which is the version 2, and I believe that is the version should be, yeah, here is 2.7.12. 2.7.12. Yeah, before also I downloaded, and you can download this version and then work on this file. For me, because I just have the GitHub, and the GitHub has some limitation for some volume of the data, so I was not able to drop this file. I decided to show you that how you can download from the official website of InfluxDB and work on that one. But again, I think our mission here is completed. Just stay tuned. I will make some video about the InfluxDB version 3, which is I think it's quite interesting for the new features. Thank you again for watching this video, and thank you for all your support. Like always, if you like this video, please don't forget to like button, and if you have any question, please do not hesitate to drop your question in comment below. Definitely I will get back to you along with answer, or if required, I will try to make the video which satisfy your needs. Thank you again, and see you in the next one.